Look for a button that says Try 30-day free trial or Upgrade now. Depending on your device or region, the placement may vary slightly, but you'll usually find it near the top of the page or inside the pricing section. If you don't immediately see the trial option, open the pricing menu from the navigation area. Within the available plan options, locate the free trial prompt and click it to continue. After selecting the trial option, you'll be taken to the plan comparison page. Here, choose the premium plan. This will allow you to access the premium features during the trial period. Before moving forward, review the information displayed on the page. Check the billing cycle and currency shown for your region so you know exactly what settings are attached to the plan. If you are not already signed in, TradingView will prompt you to sign in or create an account during the checkout process. Follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the payment section. Next, enter your payment information if it is required in your region. Depending on where you are located, available payment methods may include a card, PayPal, or other supported options. Continue through the checkout process and pay close attention to the trial end date shown on the screen. This date is important because it indicates when the trial period ends and when billing would begin if you decide to continue with the subscription. Once everything looks correct, click the Start Free Trial button. After activation, you should see a confirmation message on the screen. You may also receive a confirmation email. With the trial activated, you can begin using the premium features available on your account. Explore the available tools, save chart layouts, create and manage alerts, use additional indicators, and test the features included with the premium plan. When you're using the trial, make sure to keep track of the expiration date displayed during activation. If you decide that you do not want the subscription to continue after the trial period, you'll need to cancel it before the trial ends. To do that, go to Settings and then select Billing. Locate the subscription section and choose the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the confirmation prompts until the cancellation is complete. After canceling, your premium access will remain active until the end of the trial period. Once the trial expires, the subscription will end according to the cancellation settings you selected. And that's all there is to it. Locate the 30-day free trial, choose the premium plan, complete the activation process, enjoy the available features, and cancel through billing before the trial ends if you do not wish to continue with the subscription. Thank you for watching.